Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever dreamed of owning a land or investing in real estate, then today's video is for you and is a must-watch video. We are going to be diving deep into one of the most common and costly challenges in property ownership, which is land disputes and title issues. Yes, just like I said, land disputes and title issues. So this has become a challenge and a problem in real estate industry, and many investors or clients have faced this challenge one way or the other. But in this video, I'm going to be addressing 4 major problems in this and how you can avoid it, because it always shows in front of you, but the problem is that many of the investors or clients don't take notice of it. So you are going to be staying and watch to the end and understand the points and the chances you can take and the ones you cannot take when it comes to lands, and also it will help you to avoid unnecessary mistakes and keep away from losing your property or losing your money in this land issue of a thing. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, like, and also drop your comments below. Okay, like I said before, if you are looking forward to buy, maybe you're a new buyer, you are buying your first property, or you want to expand your property portfolio, this is one thing that you need to avoid, and you need to be careful when doing it or when investing, is ownership conflict and unclear title. Because sometimes these two things always come up whenever you want to invest in landed properties or any property at all. So you have to be clear about the ownership, who owns this property or who owns that particular land or whatsoever that you want to invest in. You have to be clear on it to know who is the owner, and also get to clear yourself with the owner that this property that you want to invest in or that you want to buy, you have to know clearly that this is the owner. If it is Mr. Okechukwu, you know that it is Mr. Okechukwu that owns that property. Then the second one is clear title. You know, sometimes many don't ask of the documentation and all those things until when it gets late. So when you go for inspection or when they go to see that property, also ask for the title, also ask for the documentations to know what the documents of that property that you want to buy. And also through that, you also find out if is truly Mr. Okechukwu's name is in that document, or if not, so you will know what to do early. So because all these things, so many times the name of the owner will be different from the name in the document, and you also need to ask questions so that you can be clear and understand why this is so. Because sometimes forgery and other things can come up, and you see after paying for that property, it becomes another issue. That is where all these land disputes and document issues now comes up. So when buying, when investing in your property, also try to make sure that you are clear in these two things. Also, missing record can also lead to serious legal battles, losing of investments, and years of delay. What do I mean by it? When buying any property or investing in any property, make sure that the records are complete. Make sure that the person you are investing that property with has his own record, and you too have your own record, because sometimes it can also lead to this serious legal battle when there is no record of you that you invested in that property or that you bought any property from them. So this can also lead to a very, very serious legal battle or losing of investment or delay of that property or investment for years. So when doing this, you also have to make sure that the records are clear and everything is clear to you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 4 major causes of land dispute. There are many of them, and I can list more than 15 for you, but I just want to dwell on 4. And this 4 is very common, and many people have faced it. Number 1 is fraud and forgery. Yes, fraud and forgery. You know, many people have faced this in their investments or buying of properties. They have defrauded many people. They have forged documents to sell property that does not belong to them to many people. So this has become a major issue that causes land disputes. So you have to also be careful to know that this property that someone is selling to you is not forgery and is not someone's property that the person is just trying to sell off. So that is the reason why you have to do your due diligence concerning any investment that you are going into or any property that you want to buy. So this one has also been a major problem in real estate. So many people have faced this particular issue, and many of them are still in court up to date. Many of them are still battling on it. Many people have lost their money concerning this particular issue, and once this happens, there is no way for you to recover your money, especially when you don't even have any proof to show for that.